All right, so let's add a little bit of beef to this. Let's add our FAQ section. So go to Edit Shop, and we'll scroll down here. And we're going to do a story too in a second, but let's add an FAQ. So what you need is, they have custom, but you can do like personalized orders, all that kind of thing. Sizing details, care instructions, gift wrapping, wholesale, but we'll do custom. Then you're like, what the heck, what do I put in here? Well, go to our buddy, ChatGPT, and they're very useful for this. So you say, what are some frequently asked questions that I can put in my Etsy shop where I sell funny coffee mugs? And it'll give you some. Good, good. So you can see you can go through all of these and fill them out, but I'm not going to. Man, they got a lot. Here we go. And then you just go like this. Go in here. And you paste it. Then you add another one. Go back here. So this makes it good, because if you've ever been to a shop and they don't really have anything going on, there's no story, there's no FAQ, there's no anything like that, it's not quite as good as a shop that has at least a few in here. Then you know they're real people. Especially shipping. And what you'll want to do too is don't just use ChatGPT, but when customers start asking you like the same questions over and over, that's an opportunity to put it inside the FAQ. And then you can point them there when you're interacting with them in the messages. And yeah, what should I do if my mug is damaged? Let us know. And you are going to have some that get damaged. It's going to happen. Same with like, if you're selling t-shirts, you're 100% going to get people who like the t-shirt's the wrong size, or you're going to get that. So you should put that in your FAQ, what they should do. And that's just 5 random ones. So I could have had ChatGPT to do the whole thing, but I'm not going to. So that's good. Like those 5 are good. Now what I also want to do is set up some shop policies. So I can do, that one is fine. Turn that on. Publish. Then privacy. Create policy. Here's a sample. But you can use our sample, or watch this. And then it'll give you a little thing. Basic templates, blah, blah, blah. But they're not a lawyer, so they give you this disclaimer first. Now we're just going to pause it because I'm going to put this. Just so that they fill it in for me, so I don't have to replace that. AI is fun because it speeds things up, and I don't have to write all this crap or find it for myself, which is wonderful. And it won't take the formatting on the bulleted list, so I have to replace that with dashes when I put it in there. Compliance laws. So business transfers, I could probably delete that part because I do not need it because you can't sell an Etsy shop. It is yours forever. If you try and sell an Etsy shop, they'll, like as soon as you go to change the banking info and they see the login's different, they'll most likely suspend the shop. So don't even bother. Now this, I said short, and this thing is going to town. Complain. If you reside in the EU and wish to raise a concern or user information. Okay. So what I'm going to do, copy all this, stick it in there, and then I can edit that. And there's a ton. So much for a short one, but boom. And then we can change the formatting here if we want. Just get the spacing right. And you can go back through and edit this better later if you want. Try that. There we go. And what's this one? Fixed policies. Okay, so that's good. Now let's go back there. And let's go to edit shop. Well, we can see our FAQ now, which is nice. And you can fill that out. And then there's privacy policy, cancellations, returns and exchange, see items, payment options, delivery, shop policies, right? And then we'll go edit. And the last thing we'll do is our little story. So you can add a video or you can add up to 5 photos with captions. So if we do that, the size of them is somewhere here. Can't remember how big they are. They are 300 megabytes. So let's tell shoppers a little bit about our business. Okay. Can you write an about us for my Etsy shop named because yeah, I'm not writing anything about us. Kind of lame, but meh, I don't care. That's actually not bad. I'm just reading it as it types. There. Good enough, ChatGPT. Thanks, buddy. So I'll go like this, and I'll paste that in here. And then I'll just go up to the welcome to part. And cut that out. And then I'll go there, and then I'll save that. And then I'll add a story headline. Save. And now I can do photos or a video. So for the photos, I can't remember the dimension. Let me see if I can find it. Etsy story photo dimensions. I have it somewhere and I can't remember what the heck it is. What size? Okay. Cover photo. Cover photo, highly best photography, profile, product images, photo carousel, and of course it's not in there. $2,000, $2,700. I keep changing the size for the photos too. All right, you know what? I'm gonna go to Canva, and I'm going to X out of that, and I'm gonna create what I think it is. I think it's about the size of a YouTube one. Let me just try the size. Seems close. Now elements, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go woman on computer. So I'm gonna set that as a background. I'm gonna put some text. No, not that one. Then I'm gonna change that to white. Which I didn't change it. Change it. There we go. And then I'm going to add an element. There we go. Add that shape. I'm going to change the color to a black or a dark gray. I'm just going to change transparency down. Okay, now I'm going to do a duplicate of that. And I'm going to delete that background, go to elements. Photos. Set that as a background. And I'm going to go duplicate. I'm going to delete that. Okay, so actually that's good. I'm going to do 3. I'm going to download this. Download. I just want to fill something in here. I don't want to spend all day doing it. Extract all. There we go. I'll go back to my shop and I'm going to add from D drive downloads. Which is, where did you go? Found it. Grab these 3. Okay, there's 1. Another one. 2. Open. Another one. 3. Open. Oh, didn't open it. 3. Open. Come on, buddy. So it's 760 by 468, so I was off a bit. Not sure why it won't load this one. There it is. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, check everything. Okay, so let us view the shop. There it is. So that should be a slideshow. Although, is it going to slide? Yeah, there it goes. And there's my story, and there's my FAQ down here. So everything is basically done now for that, which is good. We are good to go. So now I can add my, I do need to add sections as well, but it's basically going to be funny, and then like so holidays and things like that. And then I'll put my mugs in, and then we're almost set. Just one more thing to do before we really start going to town on mugs, and I'll do that in the next video.